Alright, y'all. Finally got a GoPro, man. I was just on my way out right now and I seen the mailman pull up. So I was like, hold on, let me grab this thing. Let me see. Also, real quick, look at this. Now my car just been spewing out fluids. It's like water. It's always stupid condensation. I don't think I do, but it's possible I have a blown head gasket. That's one reason why I would do that. But yeah, man, finally got a GoPro. This is a Hero 5 Black Edition. Never used one of these before. I borrowed one from a friend and I never got around to using it. But yeah, I don't really know. You don't really say nothing on it. Okay. No. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to connect this to my phone and get it set up and check it out. Alright, so it is pretty charged. I'm gonna go ahead and throw my SD card in here and see what's good. Alright, I don't know why it's happening right now. But I'm gonna do a test video real quick. This is take 2. Getting on it like that, I am revving it out though, but the car has so much more in it. I'm only giving it half of what it's got essentially. So yeah, I'm only playing with it, just dipping the toe. So yeah, I just wanted to check out the GoPro real quick, get some footage on that, and just kind of play with it a little bit. Checking my AFRs as I'm doing it all. They be around like high 13s and 14s, which is all right. That's about what you would expect for an all-motor car, but you know, obviously with it not being tuned, I don't know exactly what's going on with it. So of course I can't keep beating on it, but yeah, I'm just kind of playing with it, having a little bit of fun. But the car is running great. Like, I can easily keep driving it every day, like just driving it normally, and I'll have no issues whatsoever until I can get it tuned. So yeah, unfortunately I can't keep having fun with it, but it is what it is. You know, it'll be tuned pretty soon. I don't have an exact date yet, but it'll be getting tuned pretty soon. And yeah, then we could really beat on it and have fun.